Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brian James, this is DB Automotive. So normally we're doing car shows and things in the clubman style cars, but today I want to talk to you in regards to something that I actually find that I need, I feel that I need. Helmets. So the law states that you do not need, in a car like the clubman and that, you don't need a helmet. You can just drive it like a car. I actually prefer to wear a helmet. There's a couple of reasons that I do use a helmet. One is that most of the clubman style cars that are out there do not have sun visors, so it's very easy to get a sunstrike. As you can see, depending on the helmet that you choose, they can come with a sun visor. Really helpful. Okay, the other one is, and it's quite a big one, safety. So even cyclists can't go out, in New Zealand, even cyclists cannot go out on their bicycles without a helmet on. Now, in these cars, you're going a substantial amount more in speed-wise than a bicycle. And what you've got around you is your roll bar, which is there to protect you, but for most people, their head actually comes very close to the roll bar. If in an accident your head touches that roll bar, it's going to crack your skull open like an egg. Hence the reason why wear a helmet. There to protect you. Also, if you're in a rollover or something and your head is scraping along the road, you've got a shell there to protect you. Now the last part is that most of these cars don't have a sound system in them, and I enjoy listening to music on my travels. And that's what these helmets can do. You can pop in intercom unit, which can then connect to your GPS or your cell phone, and you can pipe in music into your head while you're driving. Now, I've had this helmet for a number of years, so this is an old Cardo unit. We'll be going over these in the next video, communications, and we'll be even doing an unboxing. Hey, an unboxing, everyone loves a good unboxing. So, that's my old helmet. And the thing I don't like about it is that you're feeling enclosed. You've got that chin bar there. So, and it's old. Most helmets have a use-by date. This one, it's got on it when it was made, and that's over 20 years ago. I can use that for the passenger now. So what have I gone out and bought? Well, we've got a new Simpson open face helmet. Now, if you look around, you can pick up these helmets pretty cheap. I picked this one up for just under $200. Brand new, still in its box. It's a reputable brand. It's Simpson. I have got Simpson helmets. I've had Simpson helmets before. My full face Bandit that's been custom painted. So I like the build quality of a decent helmet. Having ridden motorcycles for a number of years, it's something that you're very conscious of. And if you know anyone with a sports bike, they'll either tell you that they've got a Shoei style head or an Arai style head. Mine's an Arai. That means that the Arai helmets fit me better than the Shoei helmets. But to buy an Arai or a Shoei open face helmet is going to set me back probably in excess of $900. I don't have that sort of money floating about. But it does mean that I could get a Simpson. Now, if you don't shop around and you just go out and buy a Simpson helmet, these things are going to set you back about $600 to $800. The internet's a great thing. Dr. Google, he can help you find the best deals that are out there. In this case, I bought this one from, just go into the helmet box. So they gave me a whole lot of stickers as well. Yay. We like stickers. So, Car Mods Australia, CMA. They've got these on special currently. So if you're in New Zealand or Australia and you are looking at safety, then I would suggest that you go along to CMA and get yourself a helmet. They didn't give, I got a discount, but it hasn't been sponsored. So I'm just saying what I got as a good deal. If you're not into, say, the Simpson, but you want another style of helmet, that's fine. What I suggest is that the helmets themselves are, there's car helmets and there's motorcycle helmets. And the difference usually is the amount of material they have coming down to the back of your neck. So, seeing you're in a car, would suggest you look at car helmets such as Bell, Simpson, whatever. There's quite a number of them. Also, if you can, look for a helmet that has the ability to take an intercom system. Like I said, I enjoy having music piped in, and I'm extremely happy with the intercom system that I've got here. So, yeah, look, that's about it. I wear a helmet. They're comfortable. Oh, another reason, especially if you're in a clubman style car, you'll have wind bleeding around the windscreen. That makes it a non-thing. You don't have to worry about trying to deflect the wind in that. Yeah, so there's many reasons, stone chips flicking up, whatever. I would recommend running a helmet. I do. I know most people don't, and that's their preference. My preference is to actually run a helmet. Okay, cool. Safe travels. You guys have a great day. Thank you very much.